Ninja is not playing whenever it comes to their creamy sale. They just marked this price way down for the pre-summer sale. And this is the CREAMi Deluxe, so the containers are huge. You're gonna save so much money. It's gonna be so fun with the kids this summer, being able to make ice creams every day. And since it's the 11-1, you can do gelato, you can do frozen yogurt, any kind of ice cream you want in this. Link down below if you wanna try to catch the sale, but they do go fast.